Today we're doing drywall patches out here, Honolulu, Hawaii. That's drywall patches and walls. As you can see, it's kind of a party house here. Anyway, when I walked in, visualize it. Okay, there you go. There's the patch. We're putting in dense glass sheetrock. That's fiberglass replacement over the original wallboard, which is not as strong. Okay, check it out. So I'm just pull this piece out right here. All right, and there we go. I cut this piece from another sheet, which that was a sheet of drywall. There's the hole. Here's the replacement. Okay, strong, solid. So that's it, folks. Drywall replacement, patchwork.